The product settings section is where you manage which products to set as active, specify the brand, and select specific products. When you go into product settings, choose the brand you want to activate products for. In this example, I've selected Hunter Douglas products. You'll see a list of all products in system. From here, you can set the cost multiplier and markup percentage for each product. Once configured, use the slider to activate the product. On the right side, there's a helpful guide showing an example based on a 36 by 60 size, so you can see what the list price would be in the price book for that specific size. For example, for a 36 by 60, a list price of $1,044 with a 0.413 cost multiplier means your cost is $431.17. With an 84% markup, the sale price is $793.36, which is what the customer sees. It also displays your profit based on that size. You also have the option to set a flat price. Some dealers prefer this approach, so if you want to apply a fixed markup like an additional $50 for each product, you can enter the amount here and select flat. You can also sort these columns to easily locate specific products and activate them using the slider at the top. Currently, they're sorted alphabetically by category. In the Workflow Manager, there's a button that allows you to pull up the order form and send it to the fabricator with one click. This email is sent directly to the designated fabricator, which you can set up here. Simply click to enter and save the email address where orders should be sent. Anytime you make changes, remember to click the Save button at the bottom to apply them.